My name is Luca, and today we're going to be showing you how to make some sushi. We are making some sushi. We have some seaweed, what is this?
Tuna.
Then we have some rice. We got, what is this?
Scallion.
And
Cucumbers. And
And
avocado.
then I have some Chinese tea. We have some of the rice on here. We have to move it around. We have a spoon right here. We're gonna get some more rice.
Oops, it's pretty sticky. Just a bit. Okay.
Using tuna in mine, just tuna. I accidentally cut mine a little too thick. So we have some shrimp on my dad's. Is this right, or is this my mom's?
Yes,
I don't know.
mom.
I would like crab, please. There we go. Okay, and I would like a little bit of cream cheese.
These are some of the done ones that we have. This is my grandpa's, and then these are mine. I'm gonna take a bite of my sushi I made, and then we'll see how it tastes.